Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can enable equity scheduling on Squarespace. So it's a pretty simple process. Of course, first of all, you need to be on your website and your account. And of course, once you're on your website, this is what you see. You see this menu as well. And from here, you will scroll down and you will see the scheduling option. Now you will press on scheduling right there. Now it's setting things up. And as you can see right here, it's saying welcome to equity scheduling. Now from here, you've joined equity scheduling on your Squarespace website. Now, of course, one thing that you need to notice is that if you have multiple websites, you need to enable equity scheduling for each website. It's not like if you enable equity scheduling on one website, it will be enabled on every single website. If you want to enable equity scheduling on another website apart from the main one, then you'll have to follow the same process for the other website. Now, once you press on scheduling and you've waited a bit, this is the screen that you're going to see, which is equity scheduling. Now, this is your equity scheduling page link. You can copy this and you can edit this as well. You basically have 14 days left to explore scheduling for free. So the equity scheduling has a 14-day free trial, but after that, it will charge you. This is their emerging plan, and then you can see they're saying you won't be charged until you subscribe. And from here, you can set up your scheduling page as well. You can create appointment types, you can set your availability, you can design your scheduling page as well, and you can see this overview. This is the entire equity scheduling page, and this is how you join equity scheduling on Squarespace. Now to subscribe, as I was showing you, the subscribe button at your right, you will press on that, and these are the equity scheduling plans. They've got the emerging plan, they've got the growing plan, and they've got the powerhouse plan, and these are their monthly charges. And as you can see right here, these are all the features that they offer. And you can see, first of all, you'll get a 14-day free trial for emerging as well. If you want to use it, you will select any of these 3 trials, and then you will of course add your details. You can either choose paying annually and you can either choose paying monthly. And once you've done that, you will add your details right here. You will add other details as well. You will add the payment as well, and you will add your review. And that's how you do it. Of course, you won't be charged until after 14 days, as Squarespace I've already told you, but this will basically make it official and you will be able to properly use equity scheduling on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.